High-resolution dual recording. Captures 2.5K front video plus 1080p interior footage simultaneously, so you never miss crucial details on the road. Super night vision. Advanced IR night mode and a wide f1.8 lens with WDR ensure clear video even in very low light conditions. Built-in GPS tracker. Records your route, speed, and location, making footage legally and personally valuable in accidents. Wi-Fi and app connectivity. Quickly view, download, and share recordings on your phone via the COOAU app. No cables needed. P24/7. Parking and motion detection. Automatic parking mode with G-sensor activates recording on impact or movement. Loop recording plus G-sensor locking. Rewrites old footage automatically and locks important clips on impact for safekeeping. Easy, universal installation. Mounted securely with included suction mount and runs off your car's power for continuous coverage. Durable and reliable. Built to withstand a wide temperature range with a supercapacitor for safer performance. Drive safely. Get your COOAU dual dash cam today.